Hello everyone, on this video let's see how you can set up the bit as word and word as bit function block. So let's go back into our user PRD and call two empty box. So the first one is gonna be our bit underscore s underscore word. It will take 16 individual Boolean variables and make them into a 16-bit variable, like a word. And the second one is gonna be word as bit. So word as bit is gonna be the opposite. It will receive as input a 16-bit variable and make them into 16 individual Boolean variables. Let's test this. For the inputs, I'm gonna write Boolean constants here like true, true. Let's make all the parameters into the true value. So for the output, I'm gonna declare a 16-bit variable called word underscore output. And I'm gonna place this word output in the input of my word as bit. And here I'm gonna delete the interrogation marks. So now I can log in. So when I start my program, you can see here that my bit as word on my output, I have the decimal value of 65,535, which is the representation for a 16-bit variables when all the bits are in the true state. And here I can decode this bit into 16 individual Boolean variables.